Want to grow the perfect pumpkins for Halloween? Well, you've come to the right place. Cultivating these autumnal beauties isn't as intimidating as it seems. In fact, it's a delightful activity filled with anticipation and joy. Stick around to learn the easy steps to grow your own perfect pumpkins. First things first, you need to choose the right pumpkin seed. The seed you pick is crucial as different types yield diverse results. For the quintessential Halloween pumpkin, we recommend jack-o'-lantern or Howden seeds. Remember, the right seed can make all the difference. Next, we delve into the soil and planting time. Your pumpkins will thrive in rich, well-draining soil, a vital ingredient to their growth. Compost or aged manure can enrich your soil, so don't hesitate to mix some in. As for planting, the timing is crucial. Late spring to early summer is ideal, once the threat of frost has passed. Remember, climate plays a significant role in the growing process, so consider your local weather patterns. Be patient and give your pumpkin seeds the best start possible. Now let's talk about watering and caring for your pumpkins. Regular watering is crucial to their growth, but beware of the dangers of overwatering. A good rule of thumb is to keep the soil moist, not soggy. As for pests, vigilance is key. Watch out for any signs of damage and take action promptly. Remember, a healthy pumpkin is a result of regular care and attention. So, keep an eye on these gorgeous plants. With proper care and attention, your pumpkins will be ready in no time. Finally, it's time to harvest and enjoy your pumpkins. Wait until the rind is hard and the color vibrant. Cut, not pull from the vine, and store in a cool, dry place. Carve them, bake them, or display them for Halloween. And there you have it, the perfect pumpkins for Halloween. We hope you found this guide helpful. Your likes and subscriptions fuel our garden of knowledge, so don't be shy to share the love. Spread the word to your fellow pumpkin enthusiasts too. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, everyone!